Do you want to know how to speedrun just like this for completely free? Because in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I made this effect. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Alright, so the first step is you actually want to grab the clips that you want to use. So for example, for me, I'm gonna take these two shots because I think they look really nice together. So it's this one wheel shot, and then there's this. Is this the rear of a car? I'm not sure. Let's just call it the rear shot. And the real sauce between smooth speed ramping is actually you want to have the clips travel in the same direction. So for example, so it goes all in the same motion. So you see how smooth it goes, bam, continues the same way. So you see that? So now to get into the actual speed ramping, what you want to do is you want to hit Control R to open the speed thing. And what you want to do is you want to go to the points where you actually want the footage to speed up, slow down, and potentially speed up again. So for example, I think it will look nice if it would speed up here. So I'm gonna add a speed point, and you can still move it around by holding here and moving it around the speed point. But for me, I wanna make it faster here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it here until my cursor changes to like a double-ended arrow, and I'm gonna make it faster, just pull it faster. So I'm gonna maybe be around 400%. Look how that looks. Yeah, I think that looks really nice already. And then I'm gonna go to where I want it to slow down, like I want all of this to slow down, all of this. So I'm gonna go to where I want it to end the slowdown and add another speed point. And I want it to speed up here again. So I'm gonna increase the speed to 300 here. And now that I have these speed points on the left and the right side, I can click in the middle and click change speed to 50%. Just see how that looks. Bam. Now this is a little bit too long for me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch this in, stretch these 2 points in, and make the end points faster. 600%. See that? Now if this other clip would be at the end, look at this. Now I know this looks really linear, like this just doesn't look nice, this doesn't look smooth at all. Like you see this? Just goes really rough. So to fix this, you right click and you go to retime curve, and then you go into this top left corner here and make sure that retime speed is checked. Now after you've done that, I want you to click on all the points you've made, so this one, and click on the smoothen out symbol, and do this for the other points as well. Now what I like to do is always just stretch these out a little bit so it's like really smooth. So oh shit, just like this. And now bam, this looks really nice already. Maybe increase the speed of this a little bit. This looks absolutely beautiful already. Let me make this a little bit shorter because I think this was a little bit long. Also shorten this a little bit. So I think this looks really good already. So I'm gonna do this again on the second clip, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. One tip I want to give though is remember when I said in the beginning it should all go in the same motion. So what you can do, for example, if you have a clip but it's going into the opposite direction, so you basically need to reverse it, you can just right click, change clip speed, and reverse speed, and this will basically just reverse the whole video. so it's going in the wrong direction, but it's using the same motion. You can just reverse it and you're good to go. And I'm gonna share you guys a little tip that can make this even smoother. So if you head in the retime curve settings and you smoothen these out again, like this and like this, always stretch this out a little bit. You can stretch these so it fits the curve at the bottom here a little bit. If something like this happens to you where you don't have enough space to go up, you can increase the size of this, and now you can see more. So you can just match these a little bit. So just like this. And now it's almost a perfect, you see that? It's a perfect buttery smooth speed ramp. Now of course this is just an example. If you would actually do a little sort of car edit, then you would match the speed ramp transitions to the song. So for example, in this edit that I made, let me turn the volume down a little bit. Right here, for example, you can see all the transitions happen when there's a sound effect playing, or there's like a swinging sound or something. You see this? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video or you've learned something, make sure to comment, I don't know, something. This video helped me. Comment this video helped me if it helped you. And don't forget to drop a like and let me know what you want a tutorial on next. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one.